what I'm showing you here, I've used this with all my tracks, which gives me a perfect visual explanation. It gives me like more rest. It's way easier for me now to um, well, mixing and being creative, using effects and just knowing where to bring in a loop and exit a loop. And I still have room to well, to do it in another way. But uh, having when I putting new tracks in, I also use the same technique, and it works. You know, it's yeah, I find it very comforting that I have something that I can work with placing those hot cues and memory cues. So for me, if 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 you want to make it yourself way easier, I definitely want to show how to set it up like this. If anyone is up for that, yes. DJ Clean is up for it. Yes, yes. Okay, let's do this. Whew.